Hello, my name is Taylor Conti, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a wind vane. You're going to need a folder, ruler, a pencil, and some scissors. You're also going to need a thumbtack. Step 1 is to get your folder and get a bowl or whatever you need and draw a circle around your folder. Step 2 is you're going to get your scissors and cut around your trace circle. Now you're going to draw some lines and make a compass. Make sure you add the symbols north, south, east, and west. Don't use a kebab stick. This is why you shouldn't use it. This is a do. You should use a pencil. Now you're going to get a paper and cut out a triangle. You're going to hot glue this to the end of your straw. Get your hot glue gun and glue it to the bottom of your straw. Step 6 is to have fun. Now you have finished your wind vane.